So it's nice to have some light out here. This is a quarter of the lights that I'm going to put up in this shop. I've got 6 up right now. There'll be 4 lines of lights when I'm done, and there'll be a total of 24 lights out here. After the sun goes down tonight, I'll come back out here, turn the lights on, and see just how bright 6 lights look. See how much it lights up the shop. There's a Sunco light. It's 4,500 lumens, LEDs. I'll leave a link to these in the description. I got them off Amazon, fairly inexpensive lights. And you can hook them together. They've got a little plug on the back of them for the cord to go into. It's a 4-foot long light. The cord is 5 foot long. I think it says you can daisy chain 4 lights together. Yeah, link up to 4 in sequence. I might go over that by 2. I don't know. I'll have to read up. A lot of times when you're daisy chaining these lights together, your light switch is also hooked to outlets on your walls. So I'm going to look up how many amps each one of these pulls, really get into it and see if I can safely link 6 of them together or not. If not, I'll just run more light switches. No big deal. The outlets over there, the lights, light switches, this will get me, hopefully, cross my fingers, past inspection. So we'll call for that inspection sometime in the next week. I've got a couple things I got to do off the property. It's going to take me away from the property for 2 days this next week. So I have to see if we can schedule an appointment with the electrical inspector to get this done. I don't know if I was supposed to turn the power on yet or not, but I'm going to enjoy not having an extension cord strung all the way out there. Well, actually 2 extension cords hooked together, strung all the way out there to that main meter out there that I have a little plug in the side of. I think for now, I'm going to work on this area of the shop, this kind of quadrant of the shop. I want to get everything moved out of that area. I want to get the dirt or gravel moved in where I need it, cut the dirt down where it's too high. The concrete is going to be about 3.5 inches thick, and the top of the concrete is going to be the height of the concrete pillars that I poured in the ground to support the 6x6 posts of the building. So I want to get this area nice and smoothed out, level and ready for concrete. I figure if I do an area of the shop just kind of incrementally around as I go, it'll go a lot smoother and a lot easier, won't be so monotonous. So I'm going to get on this. If you feel like supporting the channel, Patreon subscribe star, Amazon affiliate link, use that if you're shopping on Amazon. Doesn't cost you a penny. If not, watch another video. Until next time, guys, go make something.